Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you a very simple but powerful concept for buying options, especially if you trade on this. This strategy is called break and close, or in other words, breakout with candle close confirmation, and it solves one of the biggest pain in trades: fake breakout. All right. If you have ever entered a trade just because the price took the level and then automatically reverse it, it's like a fake situation. You know exactly what I'm talking about it. The main mistake trades make. Most trades lose money on this, alright? Because they turn on the tote. That is pretty bad, guys. Price total resistance on support. They click call or put immediately, and then the market does what it's allowed to do. It's trapped then. Fake situation, reverts, correction. And why? Because the market is lying on the tote. Okay? But it's tell the truth on the close. Let me repeat that. Because this is the core idea of this strategy. The market deceives on the tote, but reveals on the close. What is the fake breakout? You can see that we have right here the Bollinger Band. Fake breakouts happens when price break at support or resistance level. Alright? The highest and the lowest point, but fails to close beyond that level and then reverses strongly. Remember that. This is how the market takes money from patient trades. That's period. So the solution is simple. Don't enter on the totes. Just wait for that. The break and close rule. Here are the rules very clear and very objective. So the first one, rule number 1. You never enter while the candle is still forming. Guys, I always try to show this for you during this live session. No matter how strong it looks, no matter how fast the price moves, you need to wait. Just wait for that. Try to change the time frame to get a short about this, and that's it.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Rule number 2. Wait for the candle to close. For a call, candles must close above resistance. For a put, the candle must close below support. And that's it. If the candle does not close beyond the level, there is no trade. Simple as that. Alright? Rule number 3. Entry only after confirmation, guys. Please wait for that. Once the candle closes and confirms the breakout, you enter on the next candle. Following the breakout direction, this confirmation filters out of most fake breakouts automatically. Alright? Practical example on Quotex Option. Let's imagine this scenario. You have right here. You mark a clear resistance level on this one. You can just imagine this. It's the middle line right here, this yellow one. Prices start to come up and touch it. Most trade click call right there. A lot of people's click. You don't. You wait for this. The candles break the level, but then close below resistance. What is though that means? Guys? Fake breakouts? No trades, capital protected. Now another candles comes, breaks again, and this time it's closed above resistance. And that is your confirmation. That's your signal. On the next candle, you enter a call. not because of emotion or speed, and not because of confirmation. Why this works so well? This strategy works because it's removing impulse trading, forces patience, and follows market structures. And it's aligned with your smart money behavior, guys. Big players don't enter the result. They wait for the confirmation.
Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
And now you do the same of that. Final mindset on this one for that. Remember, this is very time or trade. Every time, guys. Tilt is noise. Close is truth. Or in one sentence, the market tricks you on the touch, but reveals its intention on the close. If you master this concept, you already have the most trades in bar option. And that's it, guys. Wish you good profits, good operations. Write your opinion in the comments. Thanks so much for that, and I hope you like the video. Bye bye. See you.